Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for having us today. Before getting into the presentation, I would like to say thank you to all my friends and Ma'am Prima Fithri, SDMN, which is our lecturer in Kasni Design and Development Product. We are from Group 6. Let me introduce myself. My name is Viola Octariva Syarez as moderator with my partner Salsabilla Putri Maharani, Siti, Atika, Zahra, Fadli Atmadjaya, and for the last one is Novina. Okay, for the first topic about customer needs, it will be present by Salsabilla Putri Maharani.
Okay, thank you. First of all, let's start from customer needs. The survey was conducted through the distribution of Google Forms and obtained as many as 69 respondents with student occupations, and the age range of 18 until 20 years old was 63.2%, and 21 until 30 years old was 33.8%, and under 18 years old was 2.9%, with partial gender female as much as 66.2% and male as much as 33.8%. The first is from materials. The book bag made of canvas is the material with the most answers, namely 40 people. The need statement with typical usage question types including: I need a bag with strong and durable cordura and canvas material. Need a bag with good polyester material and strong durable fiber. I need a bag with cordura material that doesn't tear easily. Respondents choose materials based on material properties and needs to affect the product's durability so that it can be used for a long time. And the wrong customer needs is canvas, and then polyester and cellulose, cotton, cordura, and jeans. And then the storage capacity. The book bag storage capacity has categories that are able to store laptops, stationery, drinking bottles, rain covers, cell phones, wallets, powder, and others. Based on a survey, book bags are the most needed, which can store laptops with a percentage of 95.6%. And the need statement given by the respondent: I often use a book bag for college that can store a laptop and writing utensils. And then I like bags with large capacity. Next is size, and based on survey, book bags with standard size are the most needed, which with a percentage of 87%. Standard book bag is able to store laptops, stationery, books, and others. Need statement is I need a standard size to carry a laptop and books. Next is lock model. The book bag lock model consists of choice of metal zipper, drawstring stopper, leather lock, ring, and locks bag. Based on survey of book bags, the most needed locking model uses as a metal zipper with a percentage of 88.6%. And the need statement given by the respondent is I prefer book bags with metal zipper lock models because they are safer to use. And I prefer book bags with metal zipper lock models because they cover what's in the bag. The color of the dark book bag is the desired color of the book bag with the most answers, namely 12 people with a percentage of 85.7%. And the need statement with the type of question typical usage related to color needs is I prefer dark or pastel color book bags because they are natural, and I like dark colors because they look calm and unobtrusive for everyday use. And respondents need a book bag that is neutral in color, doesn't get dirty easily, so it's pleasing to the eye, so it can be used comfortably. So the last one is number of partitions. The number of 3 book bag partitions is the number of partitions most needed with a percentage of 62.5%. Need statement with the type of question typical uses and question like current to, namely, I need only 3 partitions to store other stuff. I like book bags with not too many partitions, and I like the number of partitions that are more than 3. Respondents choose the number of partitions based on the number of different types of luggage so that respondents can store things easily and neatly.
The next topic is about product specification. It will be explained by me. The following are book product specification. We can create by dimension, capacity or volume of the bag, weight, strap size, handle drop, material content, number of bag partitions, and resistance. Okay, this is about concept selection. From selection, there are two concept variants of the backpack will be developed. The product design is carried out by concept screening first based on the backpack. Criteria that have been carried out as follows. Concept screening uses reference to see the advantage and similarities of product based on predetermined reference. The assessment process uses three symbols consisting of the plus symbol, which is better than other concept, is minus, which is worse than other concept, and 0, which is the same as other concept. Next, 3 is ranked to rank from the number of ranks that have been obtained. As you can see in the slide, concepts selected for the ranking process will be assessed using an assessment on the concept rating matrix. Assessment process by determining the weight of the two product concepts based on the importance of the criteria total 100%. Determination of rating for both product concepts based on performance comparison and product criteria. Okay, as you can see in the slide, the concept assessment matrix table of the two backpack concepts developed. The result of the concept assessment by the two backpack concepts can be seen that concept 2 is the best concept to choose from. Next topic, it will be explained by Siti, Atika, Zahra.
Thank you, Vio. Okay, next concept testing. Concept testing will explain the concept test objective. Concept testing aims to determine the market that backpacks will enter. And survey format. The survey was conducted by distributing questionnaires in the form of a form to the respondents. 3. Sample population. The population taken by industrial engineering students at Andalas University, with a sample of students majoring in product design and development class D. And 4. Communicating concept, done with verbal description and sketch. Okay, next, this is example sketch and verbal description. In verbal description, this book bags weigh about 650 grams made of canvas material with a metal zipper lock model and many three-part edition. In addition, the bag is designed according to the user's taste with attractive colors and lightweight materials. Next, in concept testing. In concept testing, there are several sample questions for surveys. Example, part 1, classification. In the classification, there are name, age, gender. An example of question for survey, do you often use a book bag? And part 2, product description. In the product description, there are show product description. And part 3, purchase intention. In the purchase intention, there is if the price of the product matches your expectation, how likely are you to buy this book bag? And then part 4, comments. In the comments, there are questions: what is the expected price of the backpack? What concern do you have about this backpack product concept? And what kind of material criteria do you need? And next, host of quality. In host of quality, there are technical characteristics and a list of consumer. Host of quality have correlation and relationship. There are a positive symbol for those that are related to each other technical, and characteristic negative symbol that cannot be related between technical characteristic, and circle symbol for those that have no relationship at all. And for relationship, have strong. The symbol of the relationship consists of a strong relationship, which is a strong relationship, and a moderate relationship but not too strong, and weak relationship between needs and with technical characteristic. An example of the needs and desired of consumer who need a bag made of strong. This is closely to the technical characteristic where the bag will be designed with canvas material.
The next topic is about product architecture. It will be explained by Novina.
Thank you, Phil. This is about product architecture. The following describes some of the product manufacturing process, making the main bag pocket pattern from storing items then are often carried. An additional bag that has a feature in the form of a partition pocket on the bag, rain cover to protect the bag during the rainy season, zipper to secure the contents of the bag, mounting stabilizer strap to adjust the center of gravity when carrying the bag, then pair it with foam lining the bag to give an attractive shape to the bag. Last steps are used and additional weights that are impossible to put in the bag. Next slide. This is about cost analysis, the calculation of basic sale in carryout to determine the market price and determine the required capital. The sale production target is 20 products per day, so the production target in the month with 5 working days per week is 400 products. Next. This is in direct material to see the cost of the material needed in the product. Details of the direct material cost can be seen on the live material book bag on the screen. Total 27,400,000 per month. Indirect material or indirect raw material needed to complement the product. Detail of the indirect material cost of that product can be seen on the screen. Total of 20,740,000. This is about issue for worker who carry out the production process for raw material to finished product. Data of the labor cost can be seen on the screen. Total 157,650,000.
Next topic is about DFA and DMA. It will be explained by Fadli Atmadjaya.
Design for manufacturing. DFMA is a method used to evaluate product design by considering the days of manufacturing and assembly process. The purpose of DFMA is to determine product design that can completely eliminate components that are not actually needed and reduce their manufacturing process. The table in this slide about labor cost reduction. In this table, based on the HPP calculation, the selling price of the bag product was 170.993 rupiah, and it was rounded up to 200,000 rupiah with a profit 20%. This table HPP after repair or evaluation. Material usage analysis. Based on consumer needs in the used material, namely synthetic and canvas, it can cause environmental pollution as follows. Polyester material that use petroleum, which is harmful to the environment and can be decomposed naturally. Next, fiber from polyester that cannot be decomposed can cause environmental damage. Unused polyester fiber that is polluted the ocean can cause damage to the ecosystem and cause odor from the decomposition of organic substance. Design for environmental. Design for environmental is a design approach to reduce the overall health and environmental of a product, process, or service where impact are considered through its life cycle. In product development, namely book bags, the use of leftover goods needs to be done in reducing environmental pollution. To do a design for the environmental, the composition of the material used in the manufacturing of book bags is in the form leftover or unused, but has value when recycled. The application of this key in the development of book bag product is a design for recycled. Use of non-woven bags. Non-woven is a kind of fabric which is the result of recycling that waste such as cotton and polyester, made without a weaving process like normal fabric, but through a mechanical and thermal breaking process. The use of non-woven material is suitable in developing cheap and efficient book bag product that can increase the selling and economic value of a product.
That's all about our topic. Sorry if there is any mistake during the presentation, and thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.